Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a prototype pollution in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is exfiltrating sensitive data via server-side prototype pollution. This is the last one. And by the way, look at this. We're a practitioner. Last lab. And it's an expert. And it looks like a doozy. So we've got prototype in Node Express, and it merges object present in such a way that you inject arbitrary system commands executed on the server. Global. We need to identify a gadget, trigger execution that leaks the contents of Carlos's home directory, exfiltrate that to burp collaborator, submit the secret in this lab. Okay. Sweet. All right, let's do it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of all these videos. I mean, this is the last one. I'm sure they'll produce more labs, but yeah, this is all I'm going to do for a little while. I'm going to take a break. So let's log in, Wiener Peter. We'll submit this. We'll go to admin panel, run maintenance jobs, and let's try to find, oh, I did not reset. Okay. Give me just a second. Let me reset. Okay, so everything's reset. Let's go back to admin panel. No, let's go back to my account. Submit this. Go to admin panel. Submit this. And then now we should have stuff to work with. Post this one. Send that to repeater. Post this one, send to repeater. Now, I want to look at the information here again. Tab, I'll move this over here. We're going to go down to remote code execution, exec sync. This is the one we're doing. Okay, so we did it via the eval. Just like fork, exec sync. So this options object is what we're going to pollute. That's our goal anyway. Before we continue, let's make sure we know where we're polluting, right? So I'm going to send this. Let's do it side by side. And then I'm going to create a dot or under proto with an object. And that object is going to have foo, and bar. Looks good. We need a comma here. Proto foo bar. Yeah, let me send this request in browser in original will work. And the reason I want to do it in the browser, I'll show you in just a second, is because I want to inspect, go to console, and I want to do a const a equals boom boom a object prototype. I don't see foo here. Error. Entity parse failed. Well, that's going to be why. What did I mess up? Session ID. We have a comma. Proto. Well, no, this said. Oh. Wait, what? How come this worked? I don't understand. A cons. Whatever. We were able to pollute the global object. So we know that this is how we're going to do it. And that's what I wanted to make sure. Okay, I'm going to move on. I'm not sure what's going on over here, but whatevs. I am totally over it. Not there. Here. Doesn't accept. And so last time we did exec sync. We did we used exec argv in the, so we did create a child process.spawn and whatever. This time we can't. We need to pollute both the shell and the input properties. Let's just stream this. System command. Such as simply the input property itself may be left undefined. Okay, so input is going to be standard in for whatever command we run. Shell, in which uses it, so it's likely this will be available to us. Tended accident. So shell of shell's executable command line options. Shell is always executed with the -C node runs. So we can't use node. As the input property continues passed via standard in. Okay, so we need something. The shell that we can accept standard in. I get it. Vim. So let's try this. Colon bang command. Let's do this. Colon. Oh, I need to actually be in Vim first. Vim colon bang space ls enter. Boom, there we go. That ran that. That's what we may be able to use. Let's try this. Pkate. New file. Paste this. So we're going to run against the collab server. Collab. Don't show this again. copy to clipboard. We want curl that. And then proxy. Let's make this a little, increase the size over here. Go to repeater. Copy. Paste. I'm going to do boom. Like that. And then these two are going to replace foobar. And I need to make sure I include curl. Yep, that's right. Okay. So paste that. We've got a comma there. We've got shell and input. Should be good to try it out. 200. We've polluted both shell and input. And then we're going to run the tasks. I want, hey, we got command failed. Hey, this freaking ran. That is awesome. Yeah, look at that. Well, crap, this one's going to be easy then. So we need to vim, how are we going to do this? Our command is going to be like this. What do we need to read? Of a secret file. So we don't know what the file is. Ah, that sucks. Okay, but it's a good challenge. We can, we did a curl, and what happened? What was the response in repeater? Could not resolve host. What's the deal here? But it's from terminal. We should have done curl-s. That one didn't work. Doesn't look like. Warning, output is not to a terminal. Input is not from a terminal. Total received. That looks like it worked. This one could not resolve host. That's interesting. Let's do this. Let's do, isn't it -s? I'm just going to assume it's -s. Well, that's what I wanted, I think. I want to pull now. There we go. We got, boom. And it worked. Okay. So we've got RCE. Now we need to extract the secret. We don't know what the secret is. We can go like this. What if our command was curl $, base ls /home Carlos pipe to base 64-D. What if our this copy was first, question mark, that /n. Let's remove the -n because that's constant. So we are listing the contents of home Carlos. We are base 64 decoding it. We want encode. The reason I'm doing that is to make it URL safe, but you know what we can do? We can do the curl at, curl help the at $sign or dash help all to accept standard in as a post data. But then I think standard in is also one we could use. Case of curl, for example. Post request with -d. So let's try that. What if we did ls home Carlos pipe to curl -x. We probably don't need to tell it it's a post because at dash, is that what it said? No, just at dash. Curl at dash and then this. We probably don't need to tell it's a post because we have data. It's only going to do a post. This is the command we're going to run. Let's just use Vim. Since we know this works, so I'm going to go to repeater and here, and I'm going to switch out this for this and run that. The 200. Uh-oh. 200. Oh, I should have done -s. But let's see collaborator. Node app. Looks like it's just secret. Okay, well, if the file name is just secret, dang it. Secret Carlos /secret. We can just cat that and replace here proxy repeater 1. We need to go place here to there. And we've got the -s this time. Send it. Send it. Okay, that looks good. Come on, collaborator. Fingers. Yes! There's the secret. Whew. Awesome. All right. We're going to have to do this. The script is going to be a little bit trickier. Should I submit the solution? I'm going to. I know this is how I normally do it, but I'll show you. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing it this way right now. Submit that. Solve it. And that's because I wanted the best position possible that I could possibly get in the Hall of Fame which come on, show me what my position. I think it's 46. That's what I would bet. 46. There you go. Whoop whoop. And now I'll write the script, but done. Holy moly. Well, I got to write the script first. So let me stop jibber jawing and start writing this script. We're going to do a lot of the same stuff we did in the last one. So I'm going to copy link address, Python utils, create script, paste this. Paste there, vim, exfiltrating. Let's see, ls-lt, lt. We want the remote code execution one. This command, let's just copy all of this. Remove that. Do we want, yeah, might as well. The code we ended up running was this. Oh, and we need to make it so that this script requires a collab server. So it's parse args, I think collab args. Here we need args.collab, I think. I'm pretty sure. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then run it and fix it if we get an error. Okay. So we've got that. We logged in. We get the session. Change the account. Here's where we need to change some stuff. What we need to change is this. Delete that. Change word. Whoops. This is command to run. And it's just this. Command to run. We're going to F that. Let's write it, see how we're working. Nope, we're not doing good. All right, proto. That ends there. That one needs to go. Okay. How does that look? So proto with two things. Why is that F? Oh, I got the F string in the wrong place. That's right. I need to delete it there and put it here. Okay. Proto with two things. Good. Boom. Response shop. So we're going to post that. We're going to pollute. And then we're going to trigger. We shouldn't need to change any of our triggering stuff. Here, we need to ask for the results. So secret equals input get enter secret from collab server. Yeah, like that. Dot strip, just in case I enter any. And then I'm pretty sure we have a insight and utils site. We have a submit. submit solution right there. And all we need to provide it is the solution. So right here, we're going to do shop.sub. Is this the right? No, this is not the right script, is it? Gosh dang it. This one's the right script. Shop.submit solution. Secret. And then check if it's solved. I think that's right. So what are the chances of this alive? Poor. Oh, it's still alive. Well, let's run our script while it's still alive. Make sure it works. Python, Exfiltrating, usage. We need to add URL collab. So after the URL, we need the collab server. Cool. So copy the clipboard. Paste that there. Let's see. That's not it yet. Let's pull. Yes, it did freaking work. Did it? Oh, yeah, because that's like 7 minutes apart. Perfect. Let's paste this. Of course, it's going to say it's solved, but we'll wait. I'll come back in 15 minutes once this is dead, and we'll solve it for real. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, so this should be dead now. Let's double check. It is. Let's close that and grab a new lab. Boom. Go here. We got to change. But we don't have to change the collab server, which is cool. Delete this. Paste the new one. All right. Not solved. Collab's ready. Let's run this. See if we can get the W. Enter the secret from collab. Boom. This is awesome. Worked up to here. That's like the main part. If it's got to be solved. Yes. Boom. Solve the lab. Very cool. Well, that is it for now. Thanks so much for sticking with me for so long. It's been quite a journey. And let's see. I don't even know if I have it installed. I want to see how many lines of code we ended up writing. Clock. Nope. Sudo pacman-s clock. Yep, looks good. It's written in Perl. Crap. We want to, so the clock, in case you don't know, it's count lines of code. So this is going to go through all the folders, count how many lines of code it was to solve all the labs. Let's clock. I better do it on the other screen. How do I? There we go. Clock help, because I want to make sure I exclude the .vnv file. Output debug options. include, exclude, extension, exclude dir. You know, I should have done clock help on this screen. If I was smarter, I would have done that. Ignore. Where's the Oh, what's the VCS option? We might be able to do that. Now let's just do the ignore. What's get? No. I don't know what it does. But I know what this one, exclude dir. So we're going to do clock exclude dir equals dot vemb. And do we need to give it a source directory? Nope. Damn it. Files. Okay, there we go. Python 11,355. 262 files. Crazy for a total of this. But some of this is inflated, like the usernames, the passwords, all those word lists that we downloaded are going to be part of this text number. That's why it's so large. But we wrote HTML, PHP, Ruby, JavaScript, even Java. Very cool. All right. That's it. Have a great day. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.